Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from mensuration. The diagram shows a prism. The cross section of the prism is a right angled triangle. The base of the triangle has length 5 cm. The prism has length of 25 cm and the prism has a volume of 750 cubic centimeter. Work out the height of the prism. Now here we have been given a right angled triangular prism. And it is given that the cross-sectional area is a right-angled triangle with base 5 cm and the length of this prism is given as 25 cm and the volume of this prism is 750. Now we are supposed to find out what is the height of this prism. So let me redraw this figure over here for easy reference. So here we have redrawn the figure and the shaded region represents the base area, which is a right-angled triangle. And this represents the perpendicular height of the triangle and this is the base. Now since volume is given of this prism, we know that the volume of the prism is given by the formula base area times length. Now since the cross-sectional area is given as right-angled triangle, this becomes the base area and the length of the prism is given as 25 cm. Now since the base area is a right-angled triangle, the formula is 1/2 times base times height. Now we have 1/2 times. Now the base of this triangle is 5 and the perpendicular height is h. Now let us substitute the values of volume, base area and length in this formula. So here we get volume as 750 is equal to base area is 1/2 times 5 times perpendicular height times the length of the prism is 25. Now let us take this 2 on the other side of equal to sign so that it multiplies with 750. Giving us 750 times 2 is equal to h times 5 times 25. Now once we have got this, let us take this 5 and 25 on the other side of equal to sign. So we get h is equal to 750 times 2 divided by, now 5 times 25 moves to the denominator. Now 750 is a big number. So we have split 750 as a product of 75 times 10. So here it will be easy for division. Now this step is not necessary. If you know the factors of 25, 750, you can directly go for the division. Now here 75 gets divided by 25, that is 25 1 times is 25 and 25 3 times is 75 and 5 divides 10, that is 5 1 times is 5 and 5 2 times is 10. So this fraction simplifies as 3 times 2 times 2 or giving us the value of perpendicular height of the triangle or height of the prism, as 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 cm is going to be the answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.